Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How's everyone doing? How's everyone doing today? Shade. How you doing, Shade? How you doing? Last day to get some profits for the year. What's up, Echo? Facts, 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 facts. And it's a trading day. Benny, happy New Year's Eve. Happy New Year's Eve. You're right. Wait, how does the mic sound? Hold on. One sec. One second. Three more hours before New Year's. Oh wow, is that late where you are? That means it's what, 9 o'clock? That's right, 9 o'clock. Wow, wow, wow. How's your trading day been? How's your trading day been? Yeah, I feel like Asian session has the best sessions recently. It's been the most movements. And this needs to be 1. Alright, so let's do a little breakdown. Let's check out some gold, do some gold analysis. Over here. Give me 1 second. All right, so gold on the daily is bearish. Actually, on my chart over here, it closed very... Oh, 1 sec. Hold on, don't like that static. Yeah, we should be good now. Yeah, so over on this chart, I've got a nice continuation pattern, a weak bullish candle, which is lovely, and we've already broken the lows and kept on going down. So we've pushed down into this 4-hour support already down here, and now we're just pushing back up. 4-hour, like I said, 4 hours created a support. 4 hours created a support. Now if we break this previous 4-hour high right here above 43.39ish, we could get more of a pullback into the range, but as it stands right now, it does look like gold is creating bearish structure, but right into this support right here. So if we continue below this support, I think we head down to 41.90 area, which is the next daily support below this 4-hour level here. Now yesterday we had the new 4-hour candle opening right here, and it immediately respected that previous high. We pushed down, broke the low, and for me that was a bit of a sign that price was going to continue down, especially if it closed below this minor support here, which it did. The next 4-hour candle created a top wick, broke the low, and yeah, it continued bearish. So using the 4-hour candles to identify where price is going, super important, especially seeing the candles respect the previous highs and lows. Really good confirmations of where price is going to continue. Really good confirmation. So where did we get to? Look, very nice continuation pattern here. Minor top wick, barely a top wick on this 130 candle. Yeehaw, hello, hello. Well, it just looks like we're just ranging for now. Don't forget, last day of the month. And, you know, do the markets close early today? I'm not sure, because it's not like it's Christmas Eve. I think it will be dependent on your broker, but I don't think they do. I don't think they do, but I'm just anticipating there's not going to be, you know, too much volume. I think we might get some volume during market open, but then after that, I'm not sure how much volume we're going to get going into like towards the end of NY session. Yeah, I can't see it going on for too long, to be honest. But I want to see, I mean, if gold does want to continue bearish, we do have a little support here. And resistance right here. So this is the most immediate range for me. And I haven't used this resistance because we have one higher that we've actually pushed up and retested. So I won't use this one, I'll use this one. It's a stronger level. So I need a breakout above here and then see if we can continue up. Or if we do stay below a 43.25 and we create a lower high, I can see gold continuing down, but I'd rather get a break below a 43.06. And then we have a 200 pip range. And then what do we have below here? The next level is kind of close. So we've tapped into here, down here, probably a bit further down. Where we've had more taps down here. And then it's pretty clean all the way down after that. It's nicer levels. But this right here, this is my main target for today. Down here. 41.90. 41.90. Rosie, afternoon. NAS. So NAS has... It's been quite active today. It's been quite active. Little drop, little pullback. Stick with the 5-minute time frame for NAS. Not bad. And pound yen. Pound yen retracing too. Interesting. Last time I looked at GJ, it was down here. It's pulling back up. But pound yen is just ranging. I'm not really anticipating pound yen do much until there's some news coming out of GJ or, yeah, out of pound or yen. I hope we do get some good price action today, at least. Although, again, I'm not... Have I taken any trades this week? I took one trade this week, and that was yesterday. It was a very short buy during Asian session. I don't remember where it was. Yeah, 60. No, it was here. Yeah, it wasn't much. It wasn't nothing crazy. Oh, it looks like this support here might be holding. We've got a triple bottom, 3 retest of this level. So we either come back down, break below, right? Because sometimes they say the more a level gets retested, the weaker it gets. So if we come back, if we break it, the next break should continue down. But if we don't come back down and we start trending bullish on at least the 30-minute time frames, maybe we can start to push back up. But for now, if you look, the daily's bearish, 4 hours bearish. We're respecting this 4-hour high, so let's go wait now. Let's do time frames 5. Anyone take any trades today? Any trades today? Not yet, not yet. I love the optimism. Love the optimism. Gold sells this morning. Okay, okay. How early? I've had some nice sells today. I mean, it doesn't look like much, but I mean, look, 290 pips, just under 300 pip movement. Not bad, not bad. Said the 8 a.m. candle. Let's see. So 8 a.m. candle would have been right here. Oh no, not bad, not bad. It's not bad at all. Target Asian lows. Yeah, if only it came down. If only it came down. Where did it get to? I mean, this candle opened here. I presume break at a low. Damn, got to 230 pips. I was aiming for the whole 5, yeah? Not bad, not bad, not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Looks, the support looks good. If we can break this high, might just continue trading next year. Need to save up some cash to fund my account. Oh, I hear that. Next year is in Friday, yeah? Nah, it's understandable. I think trading with a small account is very difficult. Very difficult. It's a lot of pressure to try and grow the account, you know, build it. Over risk. Oh, next year is literally tomorrow for you. I mean, in a couple hours. So I just had to open my package. Oh, that's sharp. Yeah. Started from a $10 account to a $50 account, but I got greedy, so it ended up to 17. But still gonna climb it up slow and steady. Oh man, that's what I mean, man. This is what I mean. When you have a small account, you have to really push it. Oh shoot, just cut my finger. Give me a second, guys. I'm gonna go wrap my finger up. Just sliced it open. Oh, good morning. Morning, Faith. And GJ and UJ buys. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Let's look at those charts. Sorry, I had to go and bandage myself up. All right, Benny, you're in the gold buys. Oh, beautiful. Oh, it's moving too, isn't it? Broke that high. Beautiful, beautiful. See that? I like it, I like it. So yeah, guys, good luck on your trade today. I'm gonna hop off in a bit. It's a couple hours left till New Year's. I want to enjoy it rather than be in a shitty mood. Understandable. Understandable. Have a great New Year. And I'll see you on the other side. See you on the other side. Look at gold, man. Gold is looking real good. Right, so I was looking at NAS because I like this bullish structure here. Most recent high when we come to the charts is about here-ish. I don't like that color. So we've broken the high, closed above. Only thing I don't like is when the demand zone is also at the break of the high. I'm gonna have to wait there. I'm gonna have to wait. You said gold buys looks tricky. Yes, it does look tricky. For me, the reason gold buys look tricky, or it's because we've got this bearish structure. So I'm anticipating that, you know, gold could respect this resistance here and then create a lower high and come back down. But this is a very strong, it's a very strong support right here. We haven't been able to break below. And I said earlier, it's kind of a triple bottom, which is a sign as a sign of a reversal. So it's not a bad push gold is having right now. If it can break above this resistance, I think we can get more of a push up. 4 hour, flip bullish, break this previous 4 hour high, and then see how far it goes. Or at least maybe a retest of the daily flip. But I definitely want to see if it can break this resistance. Looks like it's running nice though. Just needs to break 43.26. If it can do that, I think gold is looking good. What's up, Ash? Good morning, good morning. What's goody? Four hour looks good to go up though. If I'm basing price action on the 4 hour time frame, if we get a wick fill and a break of the high, it's looking good though. It's looking good. This 4 hour is struggling to flip bullish though. It's struggling to stay bullish, this 4 hour time frame. And then look where we're closing. Well, we're not closing yet, but if this 30-minute candle closes by this resistance, I don't know if gold continues up. It'll be good if it closes above. If it closes above. Because look, we've come up to this area and then we keep pulling back. But look where it's hovering now. 2 minutes, we'll see. Thinking maybe at least a retest of the daily flip. There we go, gold. What is gold doing back up here after such a fraudulent Asian session? I know, right? I know, right? It seems like it's holding by this 4-hour level down here. This level's holding. Had some good pushes up from here. 4-hour massive, well, not massive, but a strong 4-hour support. Let's see how this 4-hour candle pushes now. NAS is moving nicely as well. Oh, GJ respecting this resistance. Okay. See what the market gives us today. Everything's moving. We're getting movement, guys. End of the year movement. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. What's that? All right, 30-minute. So we closed above this resistance. Just got to break 43.33. But I think this, just closing above this resistance here, it looks good. Hopefully this candle doesn't create a lower high and then just come back down into this range. It's not looking bad. Not looking bad at all. Go on, gold. Alright, it's broken that high. It's push now, push. Let's keep an eye on. I'm keeping an eye on NAS because I do want a pullback. So I'm looking at these two levels as a demand zone. So I'm looking at either here or this last one, but I'm not really a fan of this one. I'm not really a fan of this one. I'm gonna keep an eye on it, you know? Keep an eye on it. Set an alert. Set a little alert. Yeah, we just had Shade in here. His New Year, their New Year's in 3 hours. 3 hours. Asian session's about to be done. The Asian day, boy. Well ahead of us. Well ahead. Well ahead. It feels like a Friday. I don't know why. Well, I do know why. It's because it's the end of the year. But it just feels, it doesn't feel like, it feels like a Friday because we're trading, but it's the end of the year. It's weird. It doesn't feel like a Wednesday. Especially since we're not trading tomorrow as well. So, tomorrow feels a bit like a Saturday. I wonder if the 4 hour is just retesting that old broken demand zone. Or what, here? Right here. I know, because it's struggling to push up. It's struggling to feel this 4 hour wick to the left. Martin. Good morning. How you doing? Yeah, gold, it's not really giving that push, is it? I think it's done. I think gold might be done pushing up. We'll see, because I'm like, if we feel this 4 hour wick and break the high, I think we get a bit more of a retracement on gold. But if we respect this 4 hour high, I think towards the end of the candle, there's a potential that this 4 hour flips bearish and we start creating a lower high. And then we come down on the next candle. We get that end of year sell-off we've been talking about. Like, gold really took a while to drop yesterday. I mean, look when it finally fell. 7:30, what's that, 2:30? It took a minute. It took a minute. Because we were here. It ranged for ages. But I mean, the 4 hour definitely stayed bearish. I said I'm sickly, but otherwise good. Yeah, I'm all good, man. I'm all good. End of the year pips. Trying to catch some end of the year pips, like Benny says. Yeah, I do think gold wants to, I don't know if gold pushes up, honestly. I'm leaning a little bit more towards the sells, just because of this struggle to actually push up. And we haven't retested Asian lows yet. I wouldn't mind more sells to the bottom. Exactly. But the only thing is this support is quite strong. But I think if we come back down to the support, I think we break it. I think we break the next time we come back down to this area, and then we sell. Might wait for the 4 hours to close for another entry. Oh, you're in already? Where'd you get in? Oh, gold still pushing. Now, if it holds below this resistance, I like it. Or at least holds below this 4 hour top wick, I like the sells. And we do have I probably should have exited last night, to be honest, but I didn't think we'd be back up here. Oh, you were in from yesterday. And this was a nice drop that it had last night. Nice drop. It was huge. 660 pips. Woof. Big drop, big drop. One M30 was 700 pips alone. Yeah, I saw you put that in the Discord. Crazy. Crazy. Really big move. Yeah, I don't know, man. Yeah, gold ain't really trying to push too much right now, is it? NAS is just gone. NAS is gone. DJ's holding. Oh, finally. Okay, we're pushing. Daily flip maybe. We're nearly filling this 4-hour top wick. Very close. Where's the highs? The highs 37.48. Not bad, not bad. What do we reckon? Is 4 hours gonna close bullish? Push up, break the high, head back up? If we do break this 4-hour high, I'm looking at a retest of 43.65. If we push up. We still got a whole, what, 19 minutes, 18. If we don't, then I'm saying back down to 42.75. It seems like so far away. That's what, 30, 25, 500 pips. Jeez. Yeah, gold is, you know, people say they don't trade December and stuff. There's still so much volume. There's still so much volume. 620 pip 4-hour candles. The opportunities are there for sure. The opportunities are there. Ain't nothing for gold to move hundreds of pips in minutes. Listen, minutes. Like 5-minute candles that are 100 pips are the norm now. That's like, it's a standard now. That's a standard. Sorry. Come on, gold. We staying here? You're gonna respect this level? I see how this 15-minute candle closes. Quite an hourly push too. Yeah. It is. It is. Let's see. Let's see. See how this last candle closes before the new 4-hour. Where did this 4-hour candle open? 25.67. So about here. Now, if it closes weak bearish, we could have a continuation pattern. We could. But we know gold's about to move in the last 5 minutes of the 4-hour candle. That's when gold's gonna fly like 100 pips. You know how gold does. Oh, maybe it's gonna do that right now. Beautiful. Back to the daily flip. Alright, so it's broken that 4-hour high. Let's see if it gets all the way back to 43.66. Yeah, yeah. Alright, gold, how far are we going? Alright, we're at the daily flip now. Or nearly. But I mean, 4 hours broken that high. Let's see how far it goes. Quite a retracement back into the Asian range. Oh, sorry. My runner's looking good. Ooh, how much is your runner up by? Where did you get in? 43.18.5. Ooh, beautiful. Break of this high. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Nice. That was a nice entry, man. That was a nice entry. You got that for sure. Oh, that was a really good entry. $43, $42. Oh, that's your TP. Oh, nearly there. Nearly there. Shoot, give me 1 second, guys. Un momento. Oh, shit, look at that gold pushing. Oh, maybe not. What's gold over here doing? Messing about. Ooh. Final push. How long we got left? 8 minutes for this 4 hour to close. Haroon, what's good? Damn, gold. Alright, so we've come to, so we've broken that level, we've broken this level. Let's see, now we've come to the next resistance. Let's see. Now to me, this level is like, I want to say it's the last level in the structure, but it kind of is. It's like the first proper lower high in this downtrend for the day anyway. Look, we have a high, then this one I wouldn't really count, it's kind of weak, and then we have a lower high here. Nothing much. Trading gold, similar to watching Man U play, frustrating. I hear that. I don't know though. I'm kind of, just because it's the end of the year, I am bullish on gold, but I'm still thinking we get like an end of the year sell-off. 4-1 last night. Lucky Villa should have been up 1-0, that early chance. I mean, they still only scored 1 though. They still only scored 1. And we should have got that penalty too. Well, TP hit. Good job, Benny. Same Asian session started off with the sells. I think maybe we're just getting a push up right now to get a better area for the sells, because if we stay below, I mean, looking at the structure of the 4-hour time frame, right? Looking at the structure of the 4-hour, we still have a potential to create a lower high below this low. So even if this one finishes bullish, yeah, we're getting a pullback, but as long as we stay below 43, what price is 43.65, we could still come back down. We could still come back down. Probably be on the next candle, next 4-hour. We get some selly sells. What you guys thoughts on crypto? Bitcoin? Me, just hold Bitcoin. Just hold. Buy and hold always. That's always what I think about Bitcoin. Buy and hold, but look at gold. Gold is trucking away, innit? Damn. That was a nice little pop. So bear with me. Popiana, right? Love that for gold. Love that for gold. End the year strong, huh? That was a good push. That was a nice little push. Alright, how far are you trying to go, Goldie? That's it. Always towards the end of this 4-hour candle, guys. I'm telling you. You know how it goes. We watch these same candles every day. We know. 4-hour candles always going to give us a good push. What I would like, though, is at least give us a decent top wick. So we've got the push, but just give us a bit of a top wick. That way we've got some time. Make a bottom wick. Maybe break the high and then keep going. How far are we from this? How far are we? About 200 pips, just under 200 pips. I am cold. Put a hoodie on. Four hours looking good though. I knew once we broke that previous 4-hour high, gold was looking good to push, wasn't it? It was. Now we've got to make a new 4-hour bottom wick and then potentially get into some buys. Back to Asian highs. How long we got? 1 minute, a minute and a half left to this candle to close. 43.48. Can we get 43.49? Man, yeah, TP at Asian highs. I like it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Because Asian highs are what? 43.66, 43.73. I like 43.66. I think here, because it's the 4 hours distance, I think this would have been a good place to have a TP, to be honest. 4 hours distance, and it's pretty much near Asian highs. So we've got barely a bottom wick. Let's see now. If we get the push up first and then we come back for the bottom wick, I think we get to drive down. But I don't know, man. What do you reckon? Drive down making this 4 hour bottom wick? How far are we going? Go on. All the way back down? Yo. Gold is something else, man. Alright, we pushing below daily flip. Minor M30, H1 and H4 bearish divergence. He said minor though. Let us know when it's major. Let us know when it's major divergence. That's the one we want. We don't want the minor ones. We want the big ones. Wait, do the minor ones mean just a very little pullback? Is that what that means? Is that what you mean by that? Or it means like it might not play out? It's a nice little drop. What's that? 70, 80 pips? 100 pips? Damn. As gold does. You know what? I need to put a hoodie on. What are you guys waiting for right now? I like the idea of sells. If this candle closes bearish, I'm gonna have to wait for this 30-minute candle to close. If this candle closes strong bearish, I will take sells on the next candle back down to the lows. Depending on how far it pushes, but yeah, I can see it coming back down to the support. Minor because candles are trending up. Also minor because of how the peaks are. Still possibility. Yeah, okay, got you. I just don't like the breaking of highs. It gives bull behavior. True. H4 bottom wick. H4 bottom wick right now, I think. Oh, it's looking that way, innit? It's looking that way. I mean, it just about broke that previous 4-hour high and then came back down for the bottom wick, and now it looks, I mean, let's see. If we stay above the daily flip, then I think, you know, we push back up. Wow, we still have so much time left in this candle. It's a fresh candle, you know. 3 hours, just under 4 hours for the whole candle. We got time. We got a lot of time. Oh, and we had news as well. Man, I forgot about that. Look, we had unemployment claims today. That's probably why the 30-minute oh, good numbers as well. Okay, so it was good numbers, but gold was buys. Gold bought up, eh? Oh, gold coming back down now. So I actually forgot about news. I forgot about news as well, not gonna lie. Because unemployment claims, that weekly news, that's just, you know, I mean, what decision is it gonna influence at the end of the year, on the last day of the month? Should have gotten that sell. Was sidetracked. Do you know what? It wasn't a bad idea. Wouldn't have been a bad idea. 4-hour candle, bottom wick. It does give some, either bottom or top wick, it does give a nice move, doesn't it? It does give a nice little move. I don't think it's over yet, to be honest. I don't think it's over yet. I don't think it's over yet. I kind of see gold coming down to Asian lows. I see it. I do see it coming back down before the end of the day. What's NAS doing? Damn, NAS didn't even try to come back down. Jeez. Oh, man. GJ. Bye, GJ. I'm sorry. Didn't even try. That's the bear divergence TP, Asian lows. Ah, okay. Makes sense. I can see it coming, man. I can see it. Gold's gonna take his time. Do we got to do Goldie? I guess. How big is this bottom wick right here? 140 pips. Oof. Bum, bum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Now, if gold closes back below this resistance, I would consider this a fake out. I would prefer if it closed below maybe 43.33, but either way, where it is right now, I still like it. Like below this resistance, but I mean, we've got a closure above, then a closure back below, be creating a lower high, like I said, and then I'll be looking at the sells down. Let me see your trade plans. Oh yeah. All right, so un momento. So this is like a really old trade plan that I had. This is like a really old one. Well, it's not that old, maybe 2024, I want to say. So it's something that I used to look at, you know, before I started trading. So, you know, the times I want to trade, the pairs I'm trading, my routine, so what I need to do in the mornings or before any session, the strategies that I use, entry, stop loss, how I manage risk. Trade management, how many times I'm going to back test every month, what I'm going to put in my journal. These are the rules that I need to follow. The psychology, so if I was over trading, how to stop over trading, how to stop over risking, why I shouldn't move my stop loss, or what happens if I do move my stop loss. And you know, if I was cutting my winners too short, what I should do, trail my stop loss, close partials, and just things to remember. So that was it. And then I had a blank one. So that's like my old one that I had. And then this is my new one. I kind of like this one, I'm not gonna lie. This one is just a bit more easy on the eyes. Just, you know, things to remember every day. And why I'm doing what I'm doing. And then just concepts to follow. So it just refreshes everything in my mind. You know, things that you see every day you tend to remember, or it gets more locked into your memory. Or that's definitely the way it works for me anyway. And then I have my strategies just in a little flow chart, I guess. And I'll just look at this, quick flash of this in the morning. Multiple small wins equals a big day. This definitely is helpful for me to remember. It's a great reminder that I don't need to always go for the big wins, especially because I trade multiple sessions. Do you know what I mean? So I want to be in and out in each session. I don't want to be holding into too many sessions. I want to reset, start again. Because even a small win, a big win to me would be like, I would say 600-700 pips would be like a big win. But sometimes I can take 2 trades in a session, sometimes it's 1. Even if I take 200 pip wins, or I have a 100 pip day, I'm happy with that. Now, if I'm happy with a 100 pip day, I can take 2 50 pip wins. I'm good with that. Do you know what I mean? If I get more than that, if I have a run and I get more, then that's even better. But it's not, you know, the be all and end all. And that's what I have to remember. I like to remember that every day. Because, you know, the small wins, they add up. They definitely add up. And then just concepts to remember. Follow the daily trend. Follow the trend of the daily time frame. 100%. And just things to consider when I'm analyzing. Asian highs and lows can be retested. You said I love the trading reminders. Oh yeah. I think if you remind yourself why you're not doing things, it locks in. It just locks it in. It just locks it in. I don't want to overtrade. I don't want to revenge trades. I don't want to give back no profits, and I don't want to blow my accounts. That's why I want to take just 2 to 3 trades a day. And then it also I also go for the A+ setups, the best setups, when I'm sticking to just 2 to 3 trades a day. You know what I mean? And then this is just something I follow for entries, just to remember, you know, if I see Asian highs or lows being retested, what to look for, and XYZ. Entries, what I need to remember: candles must have a top or bottom wick, always, of course. And yeah, so this is my current trading plan. As you can see, it's kind of condensed from the old one, because this was a bit long reading every time. But yeah, that's it. See gold pulling back up a bit. Maybe that was just a bottom wick. Second one is better. Thank you. Thank you. I think so too. Maybe that was just a 4-hour bottom wick. Echo was right. I mean, wait, this 15, yeah, it does have a bottom wick right here. 15 closed bearish. Yeah, so if we don't close back in this range, I think we could continue pushing up. But you know, this 30-minute candle's not over yet. It's not over yet. It's not over yet. Today I'm working on my inspo wall for my office. I have a few trading reminders to put up there. Yes. Oh, you're gonna walk rocks? Yeah. Right. See you soon. Gold playing games though, man. Gold, what are we doing? What are we doing? Excellent. Thanks for sharing. That's very kind of you. Yeah, man. If you guys want any like of my templates or anything, I'll be happy to share that in the Discord. In fact, I'll put it in there anyway. I'll put it in there anyway. But I think having a daily reminder, there's so much things to remember as a trader. So many things to remember. I think it's very good to have post-its or just something that you can have on your screen just to help you throughout the day. Send everything. Alright, I got you. No problem. No problem. No problem. But this one is definitely my favorite. Like I look at this every day. Look at this every single day. Just check it out. And this I added. I didn't even have this before. This wasn't here. This is new because I just started trading supply and demand. And instead of this, I had like a daily routine. So it'd be daily analysis. I can't remember what was there, but yeah. Benzo 4323. Oh, I appreciate it. No problem. No excuses, last day of the year. I know, right? Tell him, Haroon. Benzo, the first time I'm seeing your name. Is 4223 a target for you? That's where you think gold is going to go? 4323. That's where, down here? I kind of think I want gold to come down here, 42.85, to be honest. I want gold to come down. A bit lower than that. 15-minute making a top wick. Now, if we break this low and push down a bit more, I'm looking at sells on the next candle. I swear, Haroon, every time I see your name, I think about that lazy lot comment. It still cracks me up. It was a funny comment. I mean, it's not hard. It's not hard. You know, it's like the stream. Thanks, Martin. I think it will too. We need those daily reminders. Good look on your inspo wall. Yeah, man. 100%. 100%. Like I said, there's too many things to remember throughout the day. Too many things to remember in general. Having the reminders and things that you can have a quick look at should take away the overthinking. Should take away the overthinking. I think having a routine in general is just really important to have as a trader. Definitely before you get into a trade, you should have a step-by-step. Boom, boom, boom. I want this, this, and that. That should be automatic. Automatic. All gold, we're coming back down. I might call somebody a lazy lot, but can lot be singular like one person, or would they be considered a lazy lads? Lads if they're a boy. Lad is for men. No, lot is plural. Lot is plural, multiple people. But yeah. Yeah. You want to use gal, yeah. Gal for a female. I sound hella English when I say that. Yeah, don't forget, Haroon is he might be from the UK, yeah, but he's up north, Ash. He's from a different neck of the woods. We have cleaner air up these ways. Listen, I 100% believe that. 100% believe that. In fact, you know what? This time last year, I was near Manchester. They have a really nice spa up there. Went for one of my friend's birthdays. A really nice spa. Really nice. I think it's called the I want to say the Woodlands. The Woodlands. Beautiful place. Oh my god. A really nice spa. Steam rooms, and we was up there late. We have the spa for the whole day. And it had this nice outdoor heated pool / jacuzzi. Oh, it was great. Great. It's flipping far though. It's like a 3-hour drive. Oof. Real long. I need a good spa day. You should go Bristol way, Bath. Oof, that's even further. That's even further. They have some nice areas there. And oh, is it closer? I don't know, man. My geography is terrible of the UK. I don't go. The furthest I've been out of London is probably that Manchester spa. That's probably the furthest I've been in the UK. I haven't been to Wales. I've been to Leicester. Coventry. I think Coventry is probably the furthest. Birmingham's kind of close. Bath is like 2 hours. Oh, okay, cool. I went to uni in Kent. Yeah. I don't get out of London much unless it's on a flight. Liverpool. Actually, Liverpool was lit. Ooh, gold. This 15 minutes is about to re-break this low. I think I might be setting up for some sells here. But the only thing is, stop loss is huge. 140 pips. Definitely reducing my risk. But I'm looking to get in if price breaks this low. Yeah, let's get a banger in for everyone. I'm trying. 140. What's 140? Oh, 140 pips. Yeah, I know. Listen, stop losses are standard over 100 pips these days. Yeah, it's crazy. I mean, maybe using the 15-minute high can reduce it. But what I'll do is, yeah, look, even using the 15, it's still 120 pips. There's no getting away from these big stop losses. Now, if we close below this area here, to me, this looks like a supply zone right here on the 5-minute. This looks like a supply zone on the 5-minute. But I need this candle. This candle has to close below this low right here. Benny got in way earlier. He got in down here. Was it 43.18.5, right? He got in here, and then you said your TP was 43.42. So his runner was up here doing some damage. Alright, guys, so checklist. We have a bearish bias, 4 hours bearish, daily's bearish. We're creating lower highs on the 5-minute. This is the low right here. If this candle can break this low, close below, we have a supply zone right here. We're looking for a little retest. And then we can get in anywhere between 43.39.7. As long as we stay below 43.45. But we need this candle to close below here. And then we might be looking okay. In fact, this one right here, let's do that. Might be looking okay. Maybe. Oh, it's not looking good. It's not breaking these. It's not closing below these lows. Oh, maybe. Come on, gold. We telling me. Ah, yes. No good. Didn't close below. Alright, it's no good using that strategy anyway. But I still want a break of this low. Oh, shit. Alright, I'm about to be in. There's no time for a sell stop. Not in yet. Okay, there might be time. I want to get in here. About 43.33. If gold can come back down. Oh, is this the maybe 30-minute top wick? Maybe. Just change that. Ooh, I don't want the 5-minute to break that. I mean the 15 to break this previous high. I would prefer if it didn't. If it does, then yeah, it's not looking good for me. I haven't broken the highs yet, but it looks like it's about to. Oh yeah, I didn't want it to break this 15-minute high, man. Well, it hasn't broken the 30-minute high. Could just be NYSE market open volume. Alright, let's back up to this resistance on the 30-minute. Boom, 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 boom. Where are we going, gold? If gold breaks these highs, we're gonna go back up. I think we push up to the Asian highs. Damn, NAS is falling though, isn't it? What do you reckon? It re-breaks the lows? Yeah, look, 4 hours creating that lower high as well. NAS. Oof. Gold looks like it wants to pop. Look at this 4 hour. Yeah, nah, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I made a decent bottom wick. Who said that earlier? Echo said that gold is creating that 4 hour bottom wick. Looks so. Looks so. $12.20s. Oh, now we come back down. Gold's all over the place, man. Gold is all over the place. The thing is about this push up is I wanted to use at least the lower time frame highs as stop losses, but I can't use those if the current candle is, you know, is pushed up this much. It wouldn't work. Watch Witcher season. Oh, the last season. Finally watched it. Nah, some gory deaths. Oh man, do you know what? I enjoyed it. I can't lie. I enjoyed it, even though it wasn't the same, but it was still decent. I think Yennefer was very entertaining. The fight scenes went hard. I think Ciri stuff was a little boring, and I want their stories to come together now. I want their fight scenes to come together. I should have deleted that. Because yeah, for me the that level is no longer valid because we've had such a massive pullback. It's not even like we had structure coming down. Just a straight drop. Yeah, no, this ain't looking good. Gonna watch the last season of Stranger Things today. Do you know what I've been watching? I've been watching Gen V. I don't know if anyone watched The Boys. The Boys went hard. Gen V goes hard as well, but there's just some scenes in that are just so unnecessary. It's very open-minded, I would say, but yeah, very gory. But Gen V goes hard. So I'm finishing that. Fallout. I'm waiting for more of the Fallout episodes to come out because I don't like waiting. So I'm gonna watch some Fallout once I finish Gen V. I remember when when Fallout first came out, everyone went back to playing the game. That they even had to do updates for it. The Boys is good but weird. It's so weird, man. Cat. It's so weird. Boys is the best. It's definitely good. Where are you? Cat. Oh, what do you reckon? Gold's coming back down? Where are you? Miguel? I don't know where this cat is. I can hear him though. Yeah. Oh shit, did I just push his head? Where are you? What's up? What's up? Ooh. I do like the sells, yeah, but I'm not liking how gold's playing about here. What do you reckon, guys? Are we risking it for the end of the year? 160 pips? 160 pips? I will close this thing so quick if it goes back up, I swear. But it looks like it's just retesting this resistance. I'll manage the shit out of this trades. So it came back up. Let's talk this out. It came back up, made a bit of a longer top wick for the 4-hour candle, but didn't drive up, and now it's coming back down. To me, I think it wants to keep going down. I'm 100% not biased because I was willing to not take the sells, but the fact that it's come back up, didn't continue pushing, and now it's back down here. Oh, I like it. I can't lie. All right, I'm going to get in. If we re-break this low, I'm getting in. It came close. It didn't break it on my broker, though. It didn't break it. 43.33. Sells. Yeah. Oh yeah, the sells. If it breaks this low, I don't really want to put a sell stop because I think if it does break and drive down, it will get slipped. I'm going to try to do a manual entry. Look, if I'd done a sell stop here, I probably would have been tapped in and it's pulled back up. But I think once it re-breaks this low, I think we should drive down. Okay, bye cat. Toodaloo. The thing is, the stop loss is really tricky. Stop loss is really tricky. There's no way to use even a lower time frame. Look, this 5-minute candle is the one that drove all the way down. So it's tough, risky. I don't feel like it's risky though. I don't feel like it's risky. I feel like the risk is high, but with a stop loss this big, I'm definitely not using a full I'm halving my lot size. I'll use reduced lot size for this. You know what I'm saying? But for the sells, 4 hours bearish, daily's bearish, and then potentially the 30-minute will be bearish as well. So for me, that's enough. We've retested the resistance, so that's another confirmation. Pushing down from a 30-minute resistance, and it's pushing back up. I don't know what gold's trying to do here. But what's crazy is this candle's broken the high and the low. But I'm definitely waiting for a clean break of this low before I get in. Definitely. Maybe trapping. Yeah, look, it's not looking good, is it? It's looking very very inconsistent. It said NAS selling, gold will sell too. Yeah, I know about that correlation, you know. NAS when the market opens, it sells. But if NAS wants to come back up on the next candle, it will 100% do that. The next 30-minute candle could just fly right back up. Do you know what I mean? Look. That's what it does. You can see where the market opens are, because the candles are just crazy. Look at this candle. Pushed up, pushed down. Next candle came down, came right back up. Check DXY. That's a good shout. DXY is pushing up. Well, it was pushing up, and now it's coming back down. Which typically, I mean, if it's going up, it should be bearish for everything else. Everything else should be bearish. That's usually how it goes with DXY. So yeah, if it can keep pushing. Old ass daily. Daily is very bullish. Okay. DXY is looking bullish. Look, NAS is still coming down. Damn, look at that push up. Push up. Swings 20 pips back down. Yo. Is that buying gold the opposite? Yeah, usually if the dollar index is down, then gold is usually up. Usually that's how it goes. Ooh, alright. 4-hour bottom wick. Rebroke this 4-hour high. Alright, if we keep pushing, what did we say the target was? Maybe this 4-hour resistance, 43.66. M5 on gold, got price swinging. Man. Man. This M5 looks, oh, I'm gonna keep that on the 4. And these aren't like little swings. These are big swings. 120 pips, 160 pip candles. This ain't no joke. Ain't no joke. I don't know though, man. I wish, like, every time we come back up and the 4-hour flips bearish, it's just not continuing. Obviously, there's a lot of time left, but when a 4-hour high or low is broken, I usually anticipate a bit of a pop. But it's just, gold is not trying to pop, is it? I usually don't like taking trades in the middle of the Asian range as well. You know what I mean? Knowing gold, we're going to get a massive move in like, I mean, yesterday's move was so late. Okay, so 2:30 was the first one, market open. And then the big move was at 7:30. It's just, after all this ranging, I hope it doesn't do that today. Now it's nearly New Year's for Asian session. So they're definitely not trying to wake up and they're not looking at no markets. So we just have the European session and NY session. The late move yesterday came after the 4-hour engulfed. Oh yeah, wait, it was here. Wait. It's just ridiculous, man. It's just ridiculous. It's just late. Who's trading till that late? Well, do you know what? I say that. No, it's late. It's late. It's late. It's late. It's long. I was going to say 2:30 in the afternoon in the US isn't really late into the trading session, but I feel like it is because it's what, 2.5 hours before the market closes. It's just a random time for volume to kick in. And gold just seems like it doesn't know where it wants to go. What's the 1 hour looking like, since we're going to have a new 1 hour candle in 8 minutes? Ooh, continuation pattern maybe. What do you reckon? Last 5 minutes of this candle, we're going to pop. I don't know what gold's playing at. $43.48, did we tap? Nope. Yep. Oh no, 43.47 again. It's waiting for the stream to end, then it will move. Seems like it, innit? It seems like it every time. Every time. Every time the stream ends, gold does something. That's when it's like, okay, let's go now. It's a joke. 5 minutes left. Here we go. It's the five minutes of truth. I'll re-break this 4-hour high. Give us a little push. What's DXY doing? Not DXY, but that's still pushing up. Interesting. Interesting. Nasdaq's retracing. See what I mean? It loves a retrace. Well, not normally on the same candle, but I can see the next candle just flying back up and just creating a massive range. Oh, Goldie. Here we go. See what I mean? Last 5 minutes. That's when the most action happens. Well, it gives a direction, I would say. Not all the most action happens because it's been very active. Alright, so that resistance is broken, no longer valid. 1 hour. It's a good little push, man. 1 hour looks so clean. 1 hour looks so clean. Dum, 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 dum. Alright, so 1 hour will either keep pushing up back to this resistance, or we get a 1 hour lower high and the next candle sells back down. But as it stands, to me, I think we get a test of, I would like to see a retest of Asian highs, and also maybe a retest of this 4 hour resistance, and then we come back down. But even if the next candle pushes up, if this next candle pushes up, the top wick taps this resistance and then sells and creates the lower high, depending on where this closes, I wouldn't even mind that. Hello Mickey, who is your mentor? I don't have a mentor. I don't have one. I have a group of friends that trade, and we talk to each other a lot, and we inspire each other and motivate, and they would be my mentors, my peers, you know. They keep me grounded. It actually said God. That too. See how this 1 hour closes. Yeah, I know a lot of people that just trade solo, and trading isn't necessarily a social job, but I think having people to talk to is definitely beneficial. Because with trading, you have to be your own coach. You have to be your own coach. And you know there's things you're supposed to do. Everyone knows exactly what you need to do to be a good trader. And it's very easy to ignore it. But when someone else tells you, you're more inclined to listen. And I think that's helpful. Do you know what I mean? like accountability as well. A lot of people are afraid to be honest, like really honest with themselves, and you know, talk about their flaws and issues, and then actually try to do something about it. It's very difficult, because no one, you know, it's hard to admit when you're wrong, but if you really want to get far in this game, you have to be able to really look in the mirror and be truthful to yourself, you know. Excellent. I've been trying to create a similar group. I hear that. That's what you need, man. You need a group. You need people that, even if they don't trade like you, just accountability more than anything will be a game changer. All right, so gold closed very weak bullish right here. And more than one pair of eyes helps. 100%. So I'm saying, man, you need a good, decent group. Why 5 minutes instead of 15? Who's on a 5 minute? I like, the higher the time frame, the better for me. These lower time frames make me nervous unless I'm trading supply and demand, and even that. But I like 15 is okay, but I'm also use the 15 for a stop loss, for a smaller stop loss. But I prefer 30 minute, even a 1 hour, 4 hour. Those are really my main time frames. Facts. Mickey and I have been trading peers, accountability buddies for years. Trust me, what I love about her is her consistency and her discipline. I call her my best trading friend. Man, we've been through it. we've been through it. We've been through it. Do you take buy stops and sell stops? Yes, yeah, definitely. If there's time to put it in, then 100% I'll use buy stops and sell stops. Majority of the time, that's how I get in, especially if I'm on stream. If I'm, even off the stream, I use buy stops and sell stops a lot. But I'm also watching the market, so if I have to change it or move it, then I'm also there to do that. I don't know, man. Gold is messing about right here by the daily flip. DXY is still pushing. This, and I don't want to say, you know, it's exactly correlated, but the fact that the dollar index is pushing up so much, it's giving me more conviction that gold is going to sell. But where can I get in though? I still want these lows to be broken on golds. I still want gold to break these lows. 43.32. Maybe a smaller stop. Still 140 pips. There's no getting away from it. There's no getting a smaller stop. There's no smaller stop. It is what it is at this point. It is what it is. Do you know why I'm not even rushing to end the stream? I had a nice big breakfast before the stream started, so I'm not hungry. I need to make sure I do that more often. Oh, yesterday's salmon, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It was some, you know, you have leftover food. I made fish cakes with it. Oh, it was so good. It was so good. I might actually have a cooking and trading channel. Chef and trader. It was flipping amazing, I'm not gonna lie. It was great. Oh, it was nice. It was real nice. Real nice. I love fish cakes. Okay, so it was a salmon fillet, obviously cooked from the day before, and just mashed it up. Diced up some onions, like really fine. Some bell peppers, or one bell pepper really fine. Mixed it all together in a bowl. Cracked an egg in it to bind it. And then patted it into like fish cake shape, like round ball shapes. And then you have to whip an egg because you need to bind breadcrumbs. So I guess I didn't have any breadcrumbs, but I did have some cream crackers. So I mashed up some cream crackers to use as breadcrumbs. Dipped it in the egg, the whipped egg, dipped it in the breadcrumbs, fried it. Oof, so good, so good, so good. One thing I can say, I'm the queen of remixing leftovers. I don't waste no food, no food. But I will turn that food into a master dish. Oh, it was so good. It was so good. It was so good. That's what took me so long to get back to the Discord. I was down there cooking. I came back, I saw gold. Where was it? Came back and saw gold was still here in this area. Sounds like you have Caribbean roots. Yeah, I'm Jamaican. Same, I love remixing leftovers, right? Do you watch that show on Netflix? Ooh, a cooking show? Tell me more. Tell me more. I love a good cooking show. Damn, gold ain't really trying to go nowhere. It's about remixing leftovers. No way. Okay, I'm gonna look for it. I'm gonna look for it. I love a good remix. Alright, I think gold is gonna sell here. That's why I asked about the fish cakes. Oh, okay. Do you know it's the first time I've ever made it? I'm not really a I can't say I'm not a fish cake person fish cake person, but I don't eat fillet of fishes and stuff from McDonald's. I don't eat McDonald's, but I thought, you know what? It sounds good right now. I didn't want any pasta. I didn't feel like a pasta. I didn't feel like heavy carbs. Tanky banky incoming. It looks like it, you know. Alright. Your favorite food is fish. Oh, I love a bit of fish. A bit of sea bass. I'll make a good sea bass. Does your fish include shrimp though, shellfish, or no? Prawns and stuff. I really think if we break this low, I'm still thinking about getting into sales here, guys. Yes, anything from the sea. Oh, I hear that, man. I hear that. And you know what? I love going abroad and eating like seafood from abroad. Oh, oysters are good. But you have to get good oysters. You have to get good oysters. Burger and Lobster actually do really good oysters. Ooh, might be in a trade here in a second. All right, I'm in. I'm in. Come on, Goldie, push. Be nice. I'm about to make breakfast. I'm in between salmon and grits on shrimp, or shrimp and grits. Oh, you're eating good over there. This is breakfast? Okay. Okay. High life. My breakfasts are usually like omelets. Anything with eggs. Oh, gold. Why are you being like this, gold? Come on. Alright, this is 150 pips. If it gets to here, I'm looking to close some partials. Shoot, about 39-ish. If it pulls back, breakfast for me is coffee and a croissant. Yeah, something light, innit? Something light. Nah, I have to eat a good breakfast though. Otherwise, yeah. Don't let me be hungry in the morning or throughout the day. I won't get nothing done. Come on, God. Now's the time. You've broken the lows. Give us that push. Where's my entry? 32.6. I love a good breakfast because I eat slow. It usually becomes lunch as well. Oh, okay. That's because you're eating goods. Shrimp and grits. I'll take my time and eat that too. Alright, come on, go. Give us that push now. Come on. At least down to this support. Let's go, let's go. We've been waiting patiently. 260 pips. It's nothing. It's not too much to ask for. You're not going the right way. I asked nicely, man. What is this? Girl's not respecting manners. Right, what we got going on? What we got going on here? Ugh. Come on. I like the 15. 15's looking good. Nice 15-minute double top. $15 closure below. Seafood balls are my fave. Oh yes, with some crab legs. Oof, oof. You guys are making me hungry now. I was good. I shouldn't have started talking about food. Now I'm thinking about food again. Come on, Goldie. We're doing well, man. We're doing well. We're doing well. Gold is looking good. It's still looking good to me. I just need the next 15 not to fly back up. And that's it. Come on now. Come on. Give us a push. Give us a little push, Goldie. Go on. Go on in. Go on in, son. all I want for the end of this year is like 100 pips. Just 100 pips. That's it. Just 100 pips. And I swear I'll be good. I'll be good. Just 100 pips. And I'm good for the year. $100 pippers. Please and thanks. Come on, gold. You're so close. So close. Top wick. Beautiful. Come back down. Re-break the low. And drive. Come on. Which tool on TradingView do you use to calculate your pips? The long and short position. Long and short position. Right here. And then the calculator. I mean, not the calculator, the ruler as well. I always measure. I'm always measuring candles. Always measuring candles. But yeah, definitely. These are a must. These tools right here, long position, short position. Planning out your trade before you get in. Marking it out. No problem, no problem. No problem. Oh, I don't want that. DXY, look at that. Come on, yeah, come on, gold. That's your sign right there. NAS is coming down too. Beautiful, come on. All right, 20 pips. Jeez, gold does not want to drop, does it? Why has it been like this? Don't do us like this, gold. Like the stream, people. I would appreciate it. Thanks, Benny. Nah, gold is acting up. But do you know what? It's good. Go up first, create your top wick, and then come back down. That's totally fine. Totally fine. It needs to happen. Yes, I already liked it. Thank you, Martin. Appreciate it. Dum, dum, dum. Let's do that. Come on, gold. Bucharest. It seems future charts is totally different from Forex charts. Is it? Let me see. I mean, the prices are different. Prices are different, but I don't know. They look the same. No? Gold looks just like this. This is a futures chart, isn't it? GC. In fact, we could do a side by side. Nah, man, futures, it's the same, man. It's the same. It's the same. It's just different prices. That's all. Just different prices. I have just subscribed and we have the same analysis. Appreciate it, Emmanuel. Love that, love that. I hope you're in this trade too then. Let's go. Yeah, prices are different because it's futures prices, but yeah, man, same price action, just different looking prices. Finally, gold. Here we go. What's that? 40 pips up, 50 pips. Jeez, took his time about it, didn't it? Oh no, don't come back. Let me close some partials. We get some partials. I'm in and targeting the Asian lows. Perfect, perfect. Yeah. Oh, we do really have the same trade. Good shit. Well, the same target anyway. But man, gold is it's gonna make us wait for it, isn't it? There we go, back to 20 pips. Lovely. I would love a 42.62 tap, but maybe that's asking for too much. Girl. Down here, I mean, I have that level marked out down here. And then below that, do you know what? It's not asking for too much because my ideal TP is here. This is like my first TP, but my target for the sells for the day is 41.90. Is this daily support all the way down here. I don't know if gold does that, but that's my daily target. And my daily targets are always way further than the trades I take, but I think we have enough time in the day for gold to do that. Gold can move like 500 pips in the next 4 hours. It can move in this 4-hour candle 500 pips, so nothing's off the table in terms of sell targets. It could go as far as it wants to go, you know. Oh, gold came back up. Come on, golds, come on, be nice. It really just got to 50 pips and retraced. It's not even massive retracements, it just seems really big. Actually, 41.96 is 41.94 is the minus 61.8 on the fib, and the 27 is 42.69. Okay, cool, that's good. So we have other indicators giving us some type of confluence. It's wonderful. Are we heading back down yet? Do you know what would have happened? Normally, I would have closed partials at 50 pips. Price has come back up to my entry. I'd have been stopped out right here. Runner would have been stopped out. And then this trade is just going to continue dropping for the rest of the session. So maybe it was a sign not to have closed partials there. Maybe. Maybe. All I know is that I need to survive the next 30-minute top wick as well. Oh, come on, gold. It's annoying that I actually got to 50 pips though. The move was way too quick. Way too quick. I hope this M30 continues to close as an engulfing, right? Engulf, and then the next candle, little top wick, continues down. That's perfect. I'm just putting an alert on the previous daily low, and if it breaks past there, I would move my stop loss to break even and let it run. Cheers, I'm out. Nice. Where did you get in? What was your entry? Gold, you're not going the right way, buddy. It's nuts because we broke the lows so early. We broke the lows so early. But for the fact that we had broke the lows, I do think we re-break and then push down some more. I do think we do that. 43.32 is my entry. Okay, good job, good job. Okay, quite close to where I was. Pretty much the same entry. Ooh. Alright, this is what I didn't want. Gold comes up to 33.40. I'm going to close some. Although I do have... Do you know what? This loss ain't even big if it is. Because it's half risk. We'll see what happens. We'll see. I still don't like taking full losses though. Even if it's a small trade. A small loss. I still want to chop it in half. Boom, 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 boom. So it went 50 pips in profits, 50 pips in drawdown. But you know, I want to see how this 30-minute closes. If this 30-minute candle closes above 43.37, I'm going to close the trade. I'm just going to close it. I'm just going to close it. Because it's not closing below this support right here. Oh, gold is listening. Dum, dum. What's NAS doing? I want DXY. DXY's little pullback. NAS is going to be ranging. Yeah, I think I'm going to close. Yeah, I'm closing this. I don't like it. It's creating a support here. It's like holding at this support. No me gusta. No, I don't like it. I don't like it. Watch gold. Watch gold drive down. But that was a... What's that? 60 pips? Just under... No, 60... I hate MT5 so much. 54 pips. 54 pips. Yeah, no, I'm not feeling that. I don't like how it closed. Didn't even get the engulfing. Creating this support. It's... Gold is playing. But yeah, guys, I'm going to leave it here, man. I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to find something to cook. It looks like M5. M5, it looks like a retest of broken support. Oh, yes. It does. It does. It does. It does, doesn't it? But you know what? The best thing I can do for this trade is to end the stream, really. If you guys are still in. Best thing I could do. Because you know, as soon as I leave, gold is gonna fucking fly. Would you give your trade a second chance? I would. I actually like, right now, just looking at it on the 5 minute. If gold wants to pull back, I would be looking at maybe a retest up here. This supply zone right here, maybe. I mean, hopefully it doesn't come all the way up here, but yeah, I'll be looking at maybe a retest of this supply zone. And then continue down, because look, we broke the lows. Retrace, pull up, maybe respect this area and then drop. So it's not too bad. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. But we will see what gold wants to do. But either way, look, it still came back to where I would want to close. I would have closed 50% here. And I'll still be running. Yeah, no, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good for now anyway. I'm good for now. But the fact my TP is all the way down here. No, down here. I think there'll be another opportunity. If price does want to continue down, there'll be another opportunity for me to get in. There will be another opportunity. So I ain't even worried about this right here. On the 25. On the 25, it's a pullback against a bearish engulfing. As in the 25. What do you mean on the 25? Are you talking about futures? There's no. I was thinking 25-minute time frames. Is that a thing? On the 15. Oh, sorry, my bad. Actually, I should have known that. On the 15, it's a pullback against the bearish engulfing. Yeah. I just really think this 15 should have, when it broke the low, it should have continued down. But we might be getting bearish structure on the 15-minute time frame, you know. If this 15-minute closes bullish, as long as it's below here, then we could, you know, continue. Very slow grind all the way down. I can see that happening. Yeah, I can see that happening. Like, it's taking its time coming down, you know. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave it here. Appreciate you for joining the stream. Appreciate you. Have an excellent New Year's. I hope you all have some goals and, you know, a mindset ready for the next year, and you have a good night and you celebrate hard, you know. If you've achieved anything this year, celebrate. If you haven't, still celebrate, you know. You got to celebrate the small things as well, you know. trading is a grind, man. Trading is a grind. So if you're sticking it through and you want to make it work, then pat yourself on the back, because this ain't easy. This ain't easy. But yeah, guys, thank you, Martin. Celebrate just making to the new year. That part. But you know what? I'll still be in the Discord anyway, because I feel like gold is going to play out. It's just taking its time about it. It's taking its time about it. But yeah, guys, I will see you on the other side in the New Year's. Peace out.